Welcome to our channel. If you want to cancel your Spectrum service, follow these step-by-step instructions to properly disconnect your internet service. Step 1. Review your Spectrum account to check for any contract commitments or early termination fees that may apply if you cancel before the contract end date. Step 2. Contact Spectrum customer service by calling their dedicated cancellation line or visiting a Spectrum store location. Have your account number ready. Step 3. Inform the representative that you wish to cancel your Spectrum service. Clearly state your desired disconnection date and reason for cancellation. Step 4. Be prepared for retention attempts, including special offers, discounts, or plan modifications. Evaluate these options, or politely but firmly decline if cancellation is your final decision. Step 5. Confirm all final charges, including any early termination fees, equipment fees, and prorated charges for the remaining days of service. Step 6. Ask about equipment return procedures. Spectrum requires the return of modems, routers, and any other rented equipment within 30 days to avoid non-return fees. Step 7. Return all equipment to a Spectrum store or use the prepaid shipping label provided. Always keep your receipt as proof of equipment return. Step 8. Review your final bill to ensure accuracy of charges. Cancel any automatic payment arrangements and monitor your account for any unauthorized charges after service ends. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.